So as you guys can tell by the intro and by the title of the video, I'm going to be testing out 1-star curly hair products on my hair and trying to see if they're really worth the 1 star. Alright guys, so we got the first product, the shampoo. It's called Lotus Bath and Body. It looks high quality even though it says it's $3, which it was. But yeah, I'm gonna see what the consistency is like. This is weird. It looks like a gel. This is it. I've never seen a shampoo look like this. It looks like a gel. I really hope this doesn't ruin my hair, guys. I'm gonna apply it to my scalp, like so. And make sure not to scratch using your nails, but more massage it with the tips of your fingers. It smells pretty good though. That's one thing I'd say about it, that's pretty good. The consistency was very light. It's not too thick, and I usually use thicker shampoos like Cream of Nature shampoo or Aussie shampoo, but I don't see anything wrong with this one. I personally like it, but I will say though, I have not looked at the ingredients, so it's probably bad considering why it's 1 star. But yeah, I'm gonna wash all of this out and then use the conditioner. So these are the results after wash. My hair doesn't feel too dry. When I was washing it out, I was expecting my scalp to be on fire or start itching like crazy, but yeah, it feels pretty good. Anyways, I'm gonna go on with my conditioner now. This is the same product line, Lotus. I just thought they looked pretty cool and they were all 1 star, so might as well. This one is also $3. But yeah, let's open it up. That's what it's looking like. It's not too thick. It kind of feels like a curl cream in some ways. That's what it looks like. Apply it all throughout my hair. Oh, this one smells weird. Yeah, that smells really bad. Ew. Oh my gosh. It feels pretty good. There's nothing really wrong with it except for the smell. It smells so bad. I think it's doing its job well. I don't see anything wrong with it. So I really hope this doesn't affect my hair in any way, but we'll see. Alright, so now that I applied the conditioner, it's time for detangling. I'm gonna be using the Bounce Curl Brush. For those of you that's seen my last video, I used this brush for my mom's hair. Her hair type is 3C4A. So I'm gonna use it to detangle because it detangled her hair very well. So I just wanted to try it out on mine, see how it would look. But yeah, I'm not gonna work in sections because it's gonna take too long. But it's already detangling so fast. So it's definitely gonna get some good results. And detangling is so important, especially for like styling. Because when you style, like your hair should be detangled properly. If not, then you're gonna spend like a whole other 30 minutes just detangling your hair while you're styling. Which sucks, because I've done that before, which is really annoying. So right now I'm just brushing in a downward motion like so, and then raking the section with my hands also. Bro, what? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this in the shower because it is flaking way too much. Yeah, I have no negative things to say about this conditioner except the smell. I'm not joking, it smells so bad, I already have a headache. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash this out and then I will style my hair with the gel. I'm really excited to use it because I don't normally use cheap and 1 star gels. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like. So I have some things to say about the conditioner now. So I just washed it out. And usually when I use conditioners, my hair feels super soft and moisturized, but it still feels like I just used the shampoo. So yeah, the conditioner is not the greatest. But yeah, now it's time for styling. I'm gonna go in with my Extra Care Styling Gel, long lasting. It sounds good. Hopefully it is good and gives me some good definition and volume. But yeah, let's open it up. Okay. It's pretty thick, not too liquidy, which is the characteristics that I'm looking for. It smells like fruits and perfume, if that makes sense, which is pretty good. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply it all throughout the hair. Why is it soapy? Bro, why is it soapy, bro? This is supposed to be a gel. Forget anything I've ever said about this gel. It sucks. It's not good. I'm only using this for the sake of the video. I really thought it was gonna be fine because like, look at the consistency. But I guess not. Oh my gosh. It just feels like I'm using soap on my hair. Now that I think of it, it actually smells like a soap that I've used before for my hands. Yo, did I buy the right thing? Now that I think of it, it doesn't say... Okay, no, it does say that it's used for hair. Yeah, okay. So it's definitely a hair gel. Now I know why it's 1-starred. Because this is not good at all. Even though it's like pretty cheap, I'm still never buying this. Ever. Look at the results it's giving me. Yo, should I even continue using this? This is crazy. I can just tell when I wash this out, my hair is gonna feel so dry. I might actually have to detangle again. Oh my gosh. Why couldn't it have just been mid? Like, why is it this bad? Yo, I might leave a bad review myself, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Holy. It's like it's not even defining my curls, and that's what a gel does. Yeah, so these are the results. It looks like a 2 out of 10. The product itself is a 0 out of 10. I do have one more product I'm gonna try though, so I'm just gonna wait for this to dry a little bit and then I'm gonna use it and then show you guys what I think about it, and then yeah. So we're back. I just let my hair air dry for a bit. This is what my hair is looking like. The dry results are kind of good, but the product is still super bad. Like, I'm not changing my decision on that. But yeah. Yo, where's the product? All right, so the last product I'm gonna be using is the Keratin Hair Oil. When I bought this, I did not think this was gonna work at all, so that's why I bought it, to give it a try, to see how it would look. But yeah, I'm gonna use it to get rid of my gel cast for the gel that I used. But yeah, let's see. Okay, so here it is. Very, very, very liquidy, which is what most oils are. But yeah, so I'm just gonna scrunch it in. Like this. Y'all hear the ASMR? Most people on social media say that when you scrunch your hair, it should sound like this, and if it does, you're doing something right. But I'm definitely not doing it right, especially with these products. Yo. Thought I was balding for a second. looking like. I'm gonna do 360. Here's the back. For the end result, I would give this a 2 out of 10. Or 2 out of 10. Yeah. Honestly, this might be a 1 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie, because all the products are super bad. Especially the conditioner, it smells really bad. The gel is horrible. The only thing that was pretty good was the shampoo, and the hair oil is just like basically nothing. But yeah, this is the end of the video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. And please comment down below if you guys want to see more hair videos like this. I'm having a lot of fun doing like these type of videos, like more creative and more fun to watch. So let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to see more videos like this. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.